If you want to overlay images in GIMP, whether that means placing one picture on top of another, creating a transparent blend, or making a more polished composite, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you the exact menu options to use, how to resize an image if the layers don't match, how to blend them together, and how to avoid the most common beginner mistake. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your main image in GIMP. Go to File, then click Open and select the first image you want to work with. This creates a brand new project in GIMP, which is exactly what you want for your base image. Once that first image is open, you're ready to bring in the second image. Now here's an important difference that a lot of beginners miss. If you go to File and click Open again, GIMP will create a separate project window, not place the second image on top of the first one. So instead, to overlay images correctly, go to File and choose Open as Layers. This is the key step. Open as Layers inserts the second image into the same project right on top of the first image, so both images are now part of one layered composition. If you don't see the Layers panel on the side, don't worry, you can turn it back on easily. Go to Windows, then Dockable Dialogues and click Layers. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+L. Once the Layers panel is visible, you'll be able to see both images listed as separate layers, which is exactly what you need for editing and blending. Before you start moving anything around, make sure you click the correct layer in the Layers panel. This is one of the most common mistakes beginners make. If the wrong layer is selected, you'll think you're moving or editing one image, but GIMP will actually change the other one, so always check which layer is highlighted before making adjustments. If the two images are different sizes, you may need to resize one of them so the overlay looks right. To do that, select the layer you want to resize in the Layers panel, then press Shift and S to activate the Scale tool. You can also find it by going to Tools, then Transform Tools and selecting Scale. Once the tool is active, click the image and drag the corners to resize it. If you need to reposition it, drag the center area or the move handle until it sits where you want it. When it looks correct, click Scale or press Enter to apply the change. Now that the images are aligned, you can start blending them together. The simplest way to create an overlay effect is by adjusting the opacity slider in the Layers panel. Select the top layer, then lower the opacity. As you reduce the opacity, the top image becomes more transparent, allowing the image underneath to show through. This is perfect if you want a soft blend or a subtle double image effect. If you want more creative results, try the Layer Mode dropdown instead of just lowering opacity. Layout modes can completely change how the top image interacts with the one below it. Some of the most popular modes are Multiply, Overlay, Screen, and Soft Light. Multiply is great for darkening and combining textures. Screen is often used to brighten and create a lighter composite. Overlay and Soft Light can produce strong artistic blending effects that make the images feel merged together in a more natural way. It's worth experimenting with these modes because different image pairs will create different looks. If your goal is just a simple picture-on-picture overlay, you may only need to resize and position the top image. But if you want a more professional blended design, opacity and layer modes are the tools that will make the biggest difference. The good news is that GIMP gives you complete control over both, so you can fine-tune the final result until it looks exactly right. Let's go over the workflow one more time. Open your first image with File and Open. Add your second image with File and Open as Layers. Make sure the Layers panel is visible. Select the correct layer before editing. Use the Scale tool if the image needs resizing, then lower opacity or change the layer mode to create the overlay effect you want. Once you understand that process, overlaying images in GIMP becomes very simple and very fast. And remember, if you ever feel stuck, the first thing to check is the selected layer. If the wrong image is moving, resizing, or blending, that usually means the wrong layer is active. Fix that first, and most problems disappear immediately. That's how to overlay images in GIMP the easy way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step GIMP guides and beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.